see always landed his helicopter in that series. University of Hawaii has an underwater submersible which every so often they'll take down and explore our ocean floor. Now, up ahead, you're gonna where you see large setups like this, there's going to be large pans of good food. To our left. So what you see here that you won't see in the airport downtown Honolulu, Waikiki areas are coconut trees with coconuts on them. See, in those areas, the smallest of fruit falling from that high up hits one of you on the head. Now, you become part owner of the island. Yeah? So, in those areas, they trim off all the fruit and the dead leaves. Here, it's allowed. Simply Saturdays, there's not too much traffic. The downfall is I miss a lot of the garage sales. That for 99 years. $1 a year to rent the land. So, what people have done, once their name is called, pay the $100. But that creates a problem. See, because now the land is there from her uncle who was, unfortunately, already in arrears. So she tried working something out with the state, but up to the Honolulu Polo Club. Up ahead here, white wooden. Now, throughout my career, I've been coming through here at least through old house, putting up a new one, and then move the family in, even though knowing she's in the backyard. I don't get it. But only after about 2 weeks, fed up, the family moved up. Then,
delicious. With a crunchy pop. And they're made with vegetables?
Where you guys from, brother?
Colorado.
Oh, wow. Born and raised, Colorado.
Yes, sir.
Oh. So the desert. No. How's it right now? Is it perfect temp?
It is. Getting ready for fall. All the leaves are changing on the aspens.
Getting ready for snow, huh?
Yeah.
Jeez, I don't know. We wish it snowed here, but to be honest, a lot of people that come from the snow, they're like, no, you don't.
Yeah,
You don't
no.
want no snow here. But a lot of us that, growing up, boy, it's hot like this all year long.
Yeah.
So it's like, you ever get a chance to experience the snow, it's a...
Yeah.
You feel like a kid in a winter wonderland.
Yeah, no, yeah.
You know?
The snow's good. In Colorado, we get all 4 seasons. So
Beautiful.
you get the heat, snow, fall, spring, it's
There you
really
go.
perfect. Yeah. By the time you're tired of the heat, the snow comes. By the time you're tired of the snow, the heat comes. So
Yeah. The red powder, like I said, is just a dried
Plum,
plum.
okay.
Yeah, plum powder.
Did you just say cash?
Just cash, yes.
this is what we're eating here: fresh pineapple with a dried plum pepper, but it's not spicy. What do you think, B? Really sweet. I mean, pineapple sweet, and then that sauce adds more sweetness. Hard to describe. Very good. That says Kiko's Tours.